Hi there. Today we are going to be showing you how to register your digital making project to the Coolest Projects online showcase. First thing you need to do to enter your project is go to the website, which is online.coolestprojects.org/take-part. That page will show you all the Coolest Projects events that are happening in 2025. And all you need to do there is select the Coolest Projects online showcase and click register now. That is going to take you to this page right here where you can enter a project. Really easy to enter a project. If you are over 13, you can enter your own project to the Coolest Projects online showcase. If you're under 13, you need an adult to register your project for you. You can do that one of two ways. You can just get an adult to register your project. That could be a mentor or a volunteer at Code Club. It could be your teacher. It could be a parent or a friend. They can enter your project for you. Or if your class teacher or the mentor in your Code Club has a group code, they will give you the code and then you'll be able to enter your project. If you're over 13, you can enter your own project. So I'm going to start by clicking enter a project here. This is where you enter your group code if you have one. So mentors, if you have created a group code and you give it to young people, this is where they will enter it. And they enter their 6-digit group code here, click continue, and that will take them straight to the relevant parts of the form to enter their project. But if you don't have a group code, it's exactly the same form. We just need a little bit more information from you. So I'll show you the form today and how you register without a group code. So I'm clicking, no, I do not have a group code. Continue. I'm going to confirm that I'm over 13. And then if you don't have a group code, you need a Raspberry Pi Foundation account to submit your project. It's really easy and quick to create one, so you can either sign up or log in if you have one already. That's what I'm going to do because I already have an account. So it's hello@coolestprojects.org, and I'm going to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll go straight to this form here, which tells you how to enter your project. It's really quick and easy. So I'm going to enter the name of my project. And my project is going to be my Coolest Project. And then you pick which category your project is in. If you have a Scratch project, like this one, then you are going to share the link to your Scratch project here. For any other kind of project, you need to take a quick video of your project, upload it to YouTube or Vimeo. Please make sure that it's public so we can see it. Switch off the comments, and then you'll put the video link in here. So I am going to enter a Scratch project today. So I will put in the link to my Scratch project for all the world to see. If you're entering a Scratch project, again, please make sure you've shared it publicly so we can see it. So I'm entering my Scratch project, which is called My Coolest Project. I've got the link right here, and I'm going to describe my project. So my project is about a dog trying to find its way home. It's a 2-player game and animated story. We love to hear about your projects, so we would like you to give us as much information as possible. So tell us why you were inspired. So I made this project because. Tell us what you found difficult. It was tricky too. And then we always love to hear what you're proud of and what you would do next time. Just helps us really understand your projects, and our team and all of our Coolest Projects judges are looking at them. So I've put lots of information about my project in there. And then I'm going to upload the project. So my name's Helen. I'm going to say, for the purposes of this showcase, I'm 10. And then you can add in your gender here. And then we ask if you've participated in Coolest Projects before. And in Coolest Projects, you can enter in teams of up to 5. So if you want to add another team member, and I'm going to add in my friend Lizzie here, who is also 10, but hasn't participated in Coolest Projects. So you can add up to 5 team members here. And then again, it's going to ask us for the country that we live in. Let you know that I'm in the UK. And then again, we make sure that you have understood how we use project data so that we use that to show your project in the online showcase, and making sure that everybody who's participated in the project has allowed you to share their data in this way. It's really important here that once you click register, that's it, you can't change your project. But if you want to start your draft, come back, you can save it for later. But I'm ready now, so I'm going to register my project. And then project's registered. So from here, you're able to register another project, or you can also view your project. So show you your coolest project and all the details that you entered. That's the project registered. Once you've registered projects, the Coolest Projects team look at each and every single one of the projects that you entered. And once we've reviewed them, we make them live on the online showcase from the 19th of February 2025 onwards for all the world to see. It is as simple as that. And that's how you register for Coolest Projects. We can't wait to see what you make.